Hey! Where's the camera?
Right here.
Oh, hey!
That's our grandfather.
This is our grandfather.
We're gonna put this on YouTube.
Say hi to the YouTube world.
Say hi to my camera. Pappy!
He's really mean.
I'll take my teeth out for the camera.
Yeah.
Should I do that?
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Our segment called Pappy's Teeth Takeout.
You kids are gross.
He's so weird.
Look.
Oh.
Isn't my purse cute?
No, I don't like that.
He doesn't like anything of mine.
No, he doesn't.
Ooh.
You kids are wacko.
Oh, that's embarrassing.
That's basically all we have tonight. Join us later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Peace out. Bye-bye. Peace out. Bye-bye. Peace out.